Hello and welcome to our educational video on using text formulas. In this unit, we'll explore the versatile world of text in Salesforce formulas. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create dynamic formulas that manipulate and display text seamlessly. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by outlining our objectives. We'll understand the nature of the text type, explore how to convert text values to or from other data types, delve into use cases for text formulas, and of course, create our own formulas using the text type. Sometimes the simplest way to make information in your organization readable is to present it as text. Formulas that use the text return type can do wonders, whether it's concatenating text values, converting numbers and dates to text, or displaying text conditionally. Text converts a percent, number, date, time, pick list, or currency field into text. Text returns output without any formatting, commas, or currency signs. Salesforce provides us with many functions and operators that make working with text in formulas a breeze. You can concatenate text strings using the AND operator, convert other data types to text with text, and search for specific strings within a text field using functions like begins and contains. Formulas using the text return type are often employed to display information that's hard to quantify. These formulas might involve a series of if, and or statements to check conditions. Think of it as a choice tree that helps us follow the logical flow of our formula. Let's see it in action. Now let's bring these concepts to life with some practical examples. In the first formula, we'll embed a link using the hyperlink function. In the second example, we'll use the find and substitute functions to create a URL from an email field. Before we wrap up, let's address some common errors. It's crucial to check a field's type before using it in a formula. For instance, a custom field might hold a date as a text value, and in that case, you can use text or date value to work with text and date values. To begin, navigate to Setup and use the Quick Find box to locate and access the Object Manager. In the Object Manager, click on Lead and then Fields and Relationships. After that, select New to create our custom formula field. Choose Formula as the field type and click Next to continue with our customization. In the Field Label section, name our field Rating. The field name will automatically populate. Now select Text as the formula return type. Click Next. Enter the formula into the formula editor. After entering the formula, check syntax to avoid any error. Then click Next. On the field security page, click Next again, and then confidently click Save to finalize your formula. Fantastic! You've successfully configured a dynamic rating formula field for leads in Salesforce. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.